Morning, guys. Welcome to Costa Maya. I'm here behind with the Ruby Princess and the massive oasis of the seas. Today, we are going to an excursion to Chacchoben ruins. It's the Mayan ruins here in Costa Maya, so looking forward to it. Stay tuned to see what is coming. So the ruins are called Chacchoben, and today is a crew tour. It's the first time that I'm taking a crew tour with this company, and I'm looking forward to it. It's a small group, it's about like 20 people, but we're all excited to go. Our guide is right there in the front. And you can see all the buses that are taking the tours today. Right there. It's a busy day usually in Costa Maya to go and see ruins or cenotes, or there's a lot of tours here. They have so many things to do. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, amigos, let me introduce myself. My name is Edna. I will be your tour guide. Welcome to Mexico, amigos. This is the International Port Costa Maya, and the tour for today, amigos, is Chacchoben Mayan ruins, guys. Okay? Pues, amigos, imagine a vivid decoration, and well, Chacchoben is only one of the examples, amigos. But imagine amazing places in the area in Guatemala. Tikal, Guatemala grows like corn, local squash. Actually, for this reason, the Mayan people in the ancient time, they choose the area in Chacchoben, amigos. They developed the agriculture around, but 100 years later, after the first expedition in this area, suddenly
These
one
are
of the
all the Mayan
books
cities.
appeared in the history, guys. This interesting book, my friends, was a kind of material similar to this paper, guys. In more or less 25 minutes, we are going to arrive to the archaeological site, amigos, okay? Very close to the archaeological site, I'm gonna tell you more information. Muchas gracias, amigos.
So far, our guide has been very informative about the place and the story, but it's a lot of things I didn't know about the Mayan culture, and what she just mentioned is mind-blowing. Like, Mayans were very, very smart. So this was the Mayan alphabet. Okay, so we went into the entrance, guys. They provide free water in the tour. Now, if you want to come to any archaeological place here in Mexico and you want to use a vlogger camera, like a GoPro or a DJI or any professional camera, you must pay a fee of $3. Same happened in the last ruins when I went there, and now when I'm here, so people will ask you for this. If you're filming with your cell phone and you're taking photos, no one is gonna charge you. It's just only if you have this vlogger camera. Quite smart. So if you bring your camera, get ready $3 to pay extra. So this is the beginning of our tour.
Very close, amigos, okay? It's the building 24. The tour, amigos, is like a circle. You will see the first step, a small coconut. Inside is a lot of oil, guys. Actually, the Mayan people cooking with this oil.
Oh, wow. Interesting. So we're getting closer to the very first structure here at the entrance. It's actually quite close. And yeah, you can see it from here. Check this out, guys. It amazed me to see this. This is the very first structure that we find at the entrance. This city was built in 700 AC. And wow, look at this, guys. This is awesome. Unlike other ruins, they let you here to go just some steps up and then let you take pictures here. So I guess I'm going for my picture right there. This archaeological place was discovered in 1972. By mistake, they found this place, and the Mexican government started excavating the place and discovered the whole area in 1994. So these pyramids are actually quite new. We'll see in the other building. This was the first building, and then we're going to another area which apparently it used to be like a market for the Mayan civilization. It just amazed me how they managed to put all the stones, in this shape. The whole place is surrounded by jungle, so it doesn't feel that hot, even though we are right under the sun. And this is how they found the original pyramids, guys, in this condition. They were all covered with trees and grass all over the place. The archaeologist's name was James Harrison from the University of Yale. And the entire archaeological zone of Chacchoben is 6 kilometers square. So this is the second temple, and this pyramid, according to the tour guide, right there on top, the Mayans used to do sacrifices, correct? At the beginning used to be animals, but then they found later that they sacrifice humans too. Most of the pyramids was ruled by a priest. So this was their holy place because they believed they used to be closer to the gods. Now inside the ruins they have some rooms. So there's a lot of information about this place. Just amazing. So this was the plaza where the high class people used to live. You see, even in those years, they have high class and low class. These people were living close to the pyramids, and those are the ones who used to perform the sacrifices in the temple. Now you can see here the structure next to the vegetation. It's actually amazing. In this area, it used to be a market. Now, the Mayans used to be very greedy, should be the word, with jade. For them, jade was the most expensive jewelry that they can carry. In fact, they found some of the skeletons in the ground. They had some jade encrusted in the teeth. Yeah, that must be really painful. And they have some deformations in their bodies where jade was encrusted too. So for them that was like their goal. Also they have chocolate, and also from one of these trees they used to make the bubble gum. Believe it or not, the Mayans are the one who used to who invented the bubble gum. They used to call it chicle, which actually we call it like that in Spanish, sorry. The same company in the United States called Chiclets, Adams, got the name from the Mayans. But yeah, the Mayans used to chew from a tree that you call chicle, and that's how they made the bubble gum. It wasn't bubble gum, but it was chewy. So each of the temples that they have here in Mexico and also in Belize and Guatemala. Most of the pyramids are aligned to the equinox in spring. So when it's the equinox in spring, they can see the sun exactly directly coming up from the top of the pyramid, and it looks like a snake, which is a tribute to the god called Kukulkan. Yeah, you might be thinking it was the same one of Black Panther. Yeah. Yes. So they used to pray to that god in those areas too.
We don't have in the weather conditions, it's not possible the translation. But normally animals they actually have a lot of information for the original name in the city.
Jeez, this is tiring. And this is the main pyramid at Chacchoben, which is the most impressive structure and stands about 23 meters tall. Now, in the past, the visitors could climb to the top of the pyramid and enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding jungle. In addition to the impressive architecture, in the past, visitors could also explore the lush surrounding jungle, which is home to a wide variety of plant and animal species. It is also possible to learn about the ancient Mayan culture through the various activities and informational displays at the site. Overall, guys, the Chacchoben is a must-see destination for anyone interested in history, culture, and architecture. If you are in Costa Maya, please make sure you book this tour because it's totally worth it. So right after this amazing, gorgeous pyramid, we go in the back of this one that we were at the beginning. They are next to each other. So they believe this one right here was to the god Kukulkan, and that one over there to Ixtel, which was the goddess of fertility and wisdom. So if you would like to eat a snack, just right here at the entrance, they have a place where you can get tamales, quesadillas, and they call it panucho here, which is kind of a taco. So yeah, I'm looking forward. Okay guys, these are my panuchos or tacos, well, similar to tacos, and these are the tamales. I got 2 panuchos, 2 tamales, and 1 guacamole for only $12. Super cheap. Yes, and the tamales are really good, guys. They're very similar to the ones that we have in Costa Rica, so the taste is amazing. If you come here, you should try it. Check this out. This is the guacamole. Yeah, even the Monica is not with me right now. She's in South America. I'm eating for both of us. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed Chacchoben the way I did. I forgot to mention the meaning of Chacchoben is the place of the red corn. So don't forget, guys, to share this video with your friends. Please let them know about our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much for you guys who subscribe and make sure that you motivate us to keep posting videos, guys. If you're not subscribed, please hit the button subscribe and the little bell right here so you can get notifications when we post new videos. This is it for today, and ciao for now.